Hey everybody. Well, we're off to town today. We have to get some gas and empty our tanks and do a few other things, so come along for the ride. The line is a wee bit long for the dump today. We just gotta wait our turn. Busy day in the queue today. This is what happens when people don't know how to dump their tanks properly. It takes a while. And you get lineups like this. Very frustrating. We always try to buy supplies at the local stores in Quartzsite, but sometimes we need things that aren't always available here. Parker is approximately a 40-minute drive from Quartzsite. This gem of a destination is located within the West Coast region of Arizona on the Colorado River and home to the Colorado River Indian tribe. Parker has a population of around 3,000 people. There is lots of available shopping, such as Walmart, Beal's Outlet, Safeway, just to name a few. Parker has many popular attractions including Buckskin National Park, Swansea Ghost Town, and the famous Desert Bar. There's Starbucks over there. If it's fast food you're looking for, you can see they have a number of fast food restaurants such as Burger King, Jack in the Box, McDonald's, Taco Bell, and a Subway. You people have the same idea as us. Come to Walmart and park for a rainy day. Well, we have a cart full of groceries and our favorite Frappuccino from Starbucks. Now back to Quartzsite. Our next stop is for propane. We often get filled at the RV pit stop. The staff is very friendly and knowledgeable, and even our dogs love this stop because they always give them treats. They also have a refill station to get clean drinking water. The town doesn't seem as busy today for a Sunday. Maybe everybody's home watching football. We have solar for our rig, but with a couple cloudy days, we have to stop and get some gas for our generator. As you see off to the right, the Rock and Gem Show and the Big Ten event are still in full swing. Let us know in the comments below if you found any great deals at the Big Ten event this year. Also off to the right shows you just how full the desert really is getting. Back to our camp. Home sweet home. It's a nice evening. I turn it off. Well, it was a rainy day today, so we had some chores to do. We had to empty our tanks and fill up our propane and get some water and do some grocery shopping at Walmart and Parker. So we thought you guys might enjoy a little bit of what we do on rainy days. So thanks for coming along, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and please leave a comment below if you have anything to say, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks guys, bye.